Hey, everyone! Today, I'd like to introduce an amazing company, PPBOXY. It is a leading manufacturer of polypropylene hollow boards globally. PPBOXY has advanced production lines and an annual output of thousands of tons. Its products are lightweight, durable, and environmentally friendly, meeting various needs through innovation and research. The company attaches great importance to environmental protection and uses recyclable materials. Its products have won praise from customers worldwide and serve multiple fields. In the future, PPBOXY will continue to innovate and cooperate with global partners to achieve sustainable development. I believe PPBOXY will get better and better and bring us more high-quality products and services. Let's look forward to it together.